Welcome to another video. Let's walk through this physics challenge on the board. The force F acting on the wings of an aircraft moving through air of velocity v and density rho. This is the symbol for density. Is given by the equation. So we have, this is force, this is a dimensionless constant, that's a pure number. This is velocity raised to the x, density raised to the y, surface area raised to the z. So our task is to use dimensional analysis to determine the values of x, y, and z. Okay, now according to principle of homogeneity, okay, we know that the dimensions of quantities on the left side, okay, of a dimensional equation must be equals to the dimensions of quantities on the right side, okay, and that's according to principle of homogeneity, because of course we know that dimensional formula, okay, indicates the relation between fundamental unit and derived unit. Okay, so which means the dimension of force, okay, which is on the left side of the equation, is mlt to the negative 2, and also I need the dimension of velocity raised to the x, and for velocity we have lt raised to the power of -1, then all raised to the x. Then dimension of density, okay, dimension of density raised to the y, that will be, density is mass per unit volume, so it will be ml to the negative 3 all raised to the power of y, okay. Then also we have area, okay, so the dimension of area raised to the z will be, area is L squared, okay, L raised to the power of 2, then raised to the z. Okay, so this is the left hand side. So we have that the left hand side is equals to the right hand side. Okay, so the left hand side we have ml t raised to the negative 2. Then on the right side we have v, density and area. So for v, now the power of L is 1, so this will be L raised to the power of 1x, okay, x, then t raised to the power of negative 1, 1x. Okay, so that's for velocity. Then multiply by, for density, this will be m raised to the power of y, then L raised to the power of -3y. Then for A, this will be multiplied by L raised to the power of 2z. Remember, K is a dimensionless constant, okay? So all of these will be multiplied by K, which is a dimensionless constant. So we only need to equate this. Okay, so on the left hand side remains mlt raised to the negative 2, okay, which is equals to, so I'm going to combine this L, okay, using indices. This will be L raised to the power of x, okay, -3y plus 2z, multiply by, okay, we have n will come first. So we have m raised to the power of y, multiply by L raised to the power of x -3y, then plus 2z. Then also we have t raised to the power of negative x. Okay, so which means, okay, so in this case, by equating now, so if we are equating m on the left side with m raised to the y on the right side, okay, then the value of y will be 1. Okay, so also I'm going to equate L on the left side with x minus, that's L raised to the x -3y plus 2z on the right side. So then when this cancel this will reduce to, of course, yeah, this will be 1. So this is 1 equals to x minus 3 times 1, 3 times 1, then plus 2z. Okay, so I'll bring this here so that this will be 1 plus 3 equals to x plus 2z. So that x plus 2z will be equals to 4. So now that's for that. Then also we have t raised to the negative 2. Okay, this will be equals to t raised to the minus x. So when t cancel t, we have negative 2 equals to minus x. So x will be equals to 2. So to calculate z from here, so I'm going to substitute, let me just call this, okay, this is equation 1, while this is equation 2, okay? So now we have substitute for x in equation 2. So x is 2, so we add 2 to 2z, then make it equals to 4. So I'll move this to the right side so that 2z will be equals to 4 minus 2. Then 2z will be equals to 2. Dividing both sides by 2, z will be equals to 1. So z is equals to 1, y is equals to 1, but x is equals to 2. So remember, we're asked to determine the values of x, y, and z. So the values of x, y, and z, so we have x to be equals to 2, y is equals to 1, okay, then z is equals to 1. So these are the values of x, y, and z. The noblest pleasure is the joy of understanding. Bye-bye.